Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Wilder Moving Average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Wilder Moving Average indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested a total of 39 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 471 indicators, with 193 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any other market pretty much universally. All right, so today's indicator is the Wilder Moving Average. And so those of you who are regular viewers of the channel know that we have tested quite a few moving averages, and we've actually been using the no nonsense baseline tool to also test a few more moving averages, but this particular one was not on there, and it's one that we were actually discussing today. And so I thought I would look it up and go ahead and give it a test and see what we can get out of it. So I have moved it down here into this lower panel right here, like I've done quite a few times before. So normally it looks something like this, and of course it is on the 30 period, which is the same setting that we've tested all the other moving averages on that have the ability to change the setting. And what I did was right click there, move to new pane below, just like this right here. And so now we can see the moving average a little bit more clearer here. And really what we're looking for is the switch in color of the line. And so when it goes green, we are going to go long. When it goes yellow, we are going to go short. And just for the sake of it, let's go ahead and change the yellow to red. So that way, red for short, pretty simple, and green for long. And so those are pretty common colors to associate with those. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get. Okay, so you see our first signal right here is going to be a short signal. Barely squeezes out our take profit there before it flips to a long signal right here, green on the moving average. And you can see that that one gets us to take profit really nicely right there. Then over here on this side, we get flipped to a short for just a moment. The next candle flips back to a long and then back to a short on the very next candle. And that one does come down, getting us to take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we put some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole dough. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've recently had moved over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators showing exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob is posting almost everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanner alerts, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. And another new thing that we've been doing recently is one of our members has put together an amazing team of coders, traders, and developers, and together they have created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons for free. They're actually working on turning these into trading bots as well. Once they have that done, they'll be offering it to all the patrons also. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's take a look at our indicator here. All right, right about there. Interesting little clusters of signals. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27. So we have 27 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 winning trades. And so that is not going to get us to the 60% criteria. Excuse me, actually fell really short of the 60% criteria. And so yeah, what can we say? We've tested many moving averages before, and all in all, moving averages tend to be not the most reliable. And so I'm sure that there are ways to tweak and make them work, very likely, but using them in this way, using them as a price action break, which is essentially what this is doing. So price action is breaking either below or above the moving average. just does not work very well. And so this one is another example of another moving average that can't meet the 60% criteria. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.